sky is the limit. They say the sky is the limit. But look, I'm tryna shine, and shit, I'm tryna grind. But these niggas on my side, they all won't see me shine. And the bitches who say that they down for me, I wonder if they down on tryna get a head seat. They know that if I just make it, they know the break gon' be. Spread it out, and where they be. So they just tryna be friendly and tryna be up on my clique and ride my clique, because they know that I'm gon' make a hit. And all these niggas hollering about that they love me. Do they love me or they love my style? Cause I'm like no other. I'm a mother taking care of 3 kids. I'm so hardcore, but yet still I still live. And when I walk around, my mind up in the zone. In my mind, I don't see like shit, ain't nothing wrong. My grandma told me that the sky is the limit, but I told her, mama, grave is the grave, is the grave is the limit. That's what they try to tell me. I tell these niggas leave me alone, cause I don't even care. My kids is all I need, and my son is always there. Why these niggas always leave, and these bitches always there? But they say that the sky is the limit. When I pray, yo, I pray that my life don't have no limits. I'm tryna stack my paper for the limits, with my kids up on the side of me, but life got some limits. Ain't nobody taking me off of my shine, ain't nobody taking shit from me. I swear I'ma die for mine. And I understand I'm short and I'm small, but better listen to the heart, cause my heart tell it all. And you don't even know me, that's what you tell me though. So stay up on my distance, let me explode though. But these bitches all the same, and these niggas like they shame. So I tie my shoestring when I'm walking in this game, cause these niggas, they some lame to me. They hollering about they kicking bread, but they all kinda shame to me. They like some bitches when they running their lips. They talking like hoes and they got some like some bitches. They be pillow talking with these bitches about some other bitches. And these niggas on their grind, I'm salute you for your shine. They say the sky the limit, that's what they said. But mine is she just tryna get up on her bread. They say that the sky the limit. I'm sick and tired of going through it, but the sky is the limit.